Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your PC is on, a browser is open, and you have a phone or recovery email available. Once done, navigate to Accounts. Google, and click Create Account. Choose whether it's for yourself or for business because that changes setup fields. Next, enter your first and last name, then pick a meaningful birth date and gender option. These basics let Google tailor security and recovery options, so fill them accurately before moving to username and password creation. Now you create your username and password. Choose a username that's easy to share but not revealing personal data, and try alternatives if the first is taken. For why it matters, a unique username reduces impersonation risk. Then make a strong password. Aim for 12 or more characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, and enter it twice to confirm. Once that's set, Google will ask for phone verification. Use it to receive a code. Verify the code to link your number for account recovery and extra security. Finish by adding an optional recovery email and reviewing privacy and personalization settings. These control data, ads, and sync behavior, so adjust them now to your comfort. You can upload a profile photo and then agree to Google's terms and privacy policy to complete account creation. Once done, sign into Chrome to sync bookmarks and passwords. If you don't get the verification code, make sure your phone has Signal. Check for SMS filtering. Wait a minute, then request a new code, or use the alternate recovery option to proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.